We have all been in buses, cars or jeepneys where you get jerked about. The reason for this is because the driver has no throttle control. So today we're going to talk about throttle control to avoid jerky driving. Not only does correct throttle control make a smoother ride, you will also get better fuel consumption and it is safer.
Like our video and don't forget to subscribe.
Today we're going to talk about throttle control or accelerator control if on a car. Doesn't matter whether it's a car, a motorbike, a tuk-tuk or even a truck. Throttle control is still the same. In the UK it is one of the first things you are taught is correct throttle control. But I see many people here do not seem to be able to do it. You notice this because they suddenly go fast, slow up, go fast, slow up. To change speed, you only need a very slight movement. Like I just accelerated then, and you can hardly see my hand move on the throttle. Like here with this bus, I can maintain my speed with it just on the throttle, just by slight movements. Again, I'm slowing up. I'm not needing to brake. They speed up a little bit, I give it just a tiny little bit of throttle to keep up with them. Again they slow, I come off the throttle just a little bit. That's all it is, it's very slight movements. So many people here seem to give up like that, slow up, like that, slow up. A throttle increases gradually, it is not an on and off switch. It's not like playing on a computer game where putting your finger on the screen makes it go faster, taking it off make it go slow. That is not how a throttle or an accelerator on a vehicle works. It's just very gradual movements. Even at low speeds like this, I can maintain my distance by very, very slight movements on the throttle. I really do not need to pull it hard round, take it back. It's just like a small fraction of an inch I'm moving it. And that is all what is needed to increase. It is very important that you master a knack of this. Not only is it safer, but your vehicle will last a lot longer because you're putting less strain on it.
Like our video and don't forget to subscribe.